This is the unboxing for men's body scrub tea tree oil. So it says it has deep exfoliation, it moisturizes your skin, fresh purification, and fine lather. So fine lather, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It just means that when you're applying it to the area that you're washing, it's not going to foam up like crazy. So as far as actual ingredients that are on here, we have water, sea salt, glycerin, hugolin, which is walnut, and you also have leaf oil. Looks like you got some skull cap on here. Interesting. You have your tea tree essential oil. You have cedarwood extract, so it's kind of a nice. I love cedarwood, and you also have aloe vera. Wow. Okay. So as far as how to use, I'm gonna do a tutorial on my arm because I had a sunburn recently and I've tanned out, but I got some dead skin on my arm, so we're gonna use that for this arm right here. So note again for external use only, don't try to swallow it. Test on a small area first, which we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do it right here on my forearm. And like I said, do not apply to skin that shows irritation, inflammation, or abrasions, which my arm doesn't have, so we're good. Store somewhere inaccessible to children. Refrain from use if seal is broken, obviously. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this real quick. The packaging is really nice. Um, I mean, that's the thing is like if you find an item from a company, it says a lot when they're willing to spend the money on the packaging, right? So first glance, you open the box. So it actually comes with I guess, a serving spoon for you to scoop out the actual scrub. And it also comes with a hand scrubber, which is really nice.